To a primetime news follow-up now. A high-level probe is now underway to find the gunman behind Thursday's murder of politician and businessman Lennox Hines. But while the police carry out their probe, they're asking the public for help. Thursday afternoon commute along Marcus Garvey Drive grounded to a halt as police officers processed the crime scene. Early detective work revealed it was the JLP's councillor caretaker for the Southborough Division in Portmore St. Catherine, Lennox Hines. Hines was driving a white Honda CRV in the company of a woman and his daughter when men traveling on a motorcycle opened fire on them. The woman was also shot. His daughter escaped injury. The police theorized that Hines was the target. Hours after the gun attack, an appeal from the police for members of the public to help find the killers.
I would love to encourage the citizens of this country who might have witnessed this incident to call the police. This can be done through 119-311 or the Hunts Bay Police 923-711, and they can share any information that they have with regards to this murder and shooting.
Very little is still known about what fueled the shooting.
Currently, the Major Investigation Division is leading in this investigation. No motive has been ascertained at this time. Investigations are ongoing.
Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie condemned the murder of the councillor caretaker. In a media release Friday morning, Mr. McKenzie described the attack as brazen and brutal. He said it was clear that the criminals who shot Mr. Hines wanted to make a public show of the evil that they committed. And the JLP General Secretary and National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang called the killing tragic. He said the JLP will be monitoring to help ensure the criminal perpetrators are brought to justice. He added that the family was in the middle of planning their wedding, which makes the murder even more tragic. Dr. Chang said the JLP has been in contact with the leadership of the East Central St. Catherine constituency to assist in supporting the family. Mr. Hines served as councillor caretaker for the Southborough Division since 2014. Hines and two co-accused were freed of murder in January 2013 in the Home Circuit Court. That development stemmed from the August 2007 killing of Ora Livermore of Portsmouth in Portmore, St. Catherine. Hines was charged with murder, conspiracy to murder, and shooting with intent.